Today, I'm teaching you signs that will help you communicate a weather emergency. Let's start with hurricane. Hurricane uses the closed three hand shapes. Three, closed three. Your boss hand, your dominant hand, is going to be on top facing forward, and your other hand is going to face your chest, and you're going to flap those fingers. Hurricane. From above, it sort of looks like the symbol that's used for hurricane on a weather report map. Hurricane. Tornado has three main variations. The first one looks a lot like hurricane, but it uses the L hand shapes. Again, your dominant hand is facing forward. Tornado. The second variation that I actually use in my area uses the middle fingers. So push your middle fingers forward, put your boss hand on top, and you're going to twist and move upwards. Tornado. The last main variation uses the one hand shapes, but the movement is the same as the other variation. Tornado. Flooding. Flooding starts with the sign for water. Water is done with the 6 or W hand shape, which means your thumb is touching your pinky finger. And it doesn't matter if it overlaps or just touches, but the side of your pointer finger is going to hit your chin 2 times. This is also the sign for drinking water, any water. Water, and then you're going to show the flood by taking your 5 hands palm down and wiggling the fingers as you move the hands upwards. Water is rising. The puffy cheeks show that there is too much water. There is flooding. And finally, icy conditions. You're actually going to take your open 5 hands down flat, and you're going to curl them up into a claw 5 hand shape as you move towards yourself. Ice. Ice, or freezing. This is not the same as we use for ice water. Generally, we fingerspell ice as in ice cubes in your water. This is to freeze, icy.